What's up, you sexy motherfuckers?
So we're gonna let it out.
What's good, everybody? This is Mark Lawrence, and this is
E-Man Cruz.
We're here doing our very first food challenge. This is actually going to be our spicy challenge. We're representing Long Beach, California with J-Birds. They're cool enough to hook us up with some awesome food, their hottest chicken, their hottest sandwiches, and we're going to see how long we can go before we have to drink this fucking almond milk.
Almond milk, so it'll save us, alright?
Yeah.
It's hella spicy. We got Carolina Reaper in this bitch. You know. Anyways, do a little unboxing for you. Unboxing.
Alright.
What you got? What you got,
We got
Mark?
the sandwich right here. We got the hot fire sandwich with a little bit of coleslaw. We got the chicken breast, so it's got a little bit of that. Acid will cut through that. It'd be really good. But then we got some coleslaw to help that out. But we're not gonna eat this.
We'll eat it later.
We're gonna eat it later.
What's up, everybody?
Yeah,
All right,
what is
check it
this
out.
right here?
We got the dark meat right here. You know.
Ooh.
We got some leg and thigh on a piece of bread.
Legs and tabs.
You know. Like I said, this is Carolina Reaper action right over here. Hella seasoned, really good. Again from J-Birds. J-Birds.
Pull that right here. There you go. There you go. That side.
One more. If you want to eat along, you know, you guys can. But
It's like a challenge.
right now we're probably going to be crying eating this food. Cool.
Alright, so I'm gonna cut this up. I'll wash my hands over.
Slice it up.
We're in quarantine at the moment. Gotta make sure we stay safe and clean.
We got sauces. Sauces. We got sauces. Oh, so good.
And we already ate before we did this.
More sauces. More sauces.
There we go.
All right. Oh, now we're gonna split this. You want leg or thigh?
Give me that thigh.
Damn fucking thigh guy. All right.
Actually, just give me the leg.
All right. Take the leg.
Just give me the
There you go. All right. Let's clear the way. All right. Damn,
All right,
smells
so,
hella spicy.
Yeah, we're gonna. The whole thing, we're gonna eat this whole entire thing, our half sandwich and piece of chicken, and then we're gonna see the first person to drink any kind of liquid, water, milk, anything, ice cream. Bring ice cream just in case we need it. But apparently this shit is like super hot fire, compared to like Howlin' Race out here in Los Angeles and other hot chicken Nashville spots around the area. So we'll see if it lives up to the hype. You ready?
All right, y'all. Cheers.
Cheers.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
It's gonna suck, dude.
Good.
So it's really flavorful. The slaw, it's pretty refreshing. But damn, oh shit. The spice creeps up on you.
I ain't no bitch. Let's see.
For now. It was good. Anyways, we got some sauces here. I forgot the names, but we'll probably type
We
them
got
out.
some ranch.
We'll type them out.
We got whatever this
Big sexy.
big sexy sauce.
Some Cajun shit. Dude, it's orange.
Alright.
That wasn't so bad. Yeah, we can handle this.
Oh. It's alright.
It's pretty good. This is the cure to coronavirus right here. Clears all the sinuses. Oh fuck.
It's a lot of flavor though. This is like one of the best tasting sandwiches out there right now in local SoCal.
Yeah. Still open. You know, there's you know, places where you stand that's like hella feet apart. They have a mark on the floor. I recommend going with a mask so you don't spread your gross ass germs.
You can still go right now. It's not closed.
Yeah, still open. You know, for now. Anyways, gonna hit it with the ranch.
Let me get some of this.
Oh, that's good. So they make all the sauces. They make all of them. Hella tasty, pretty original.
How you feel, man?
You know, not for the faint of heart. But we're going. Oh, you finished yours already.
Finish the sandwich already.
Oh my god.
I like to savor mine, you know? Holy fuck, my mouth.
Nah, I feel if you faster you eat it, faster you have to do. The longer you have to deal with it.
Yeah. Man, so tasty, so juicy.
Yeah. Despite that how hot it is, how spicy it is, like it tastes all the flavors still.
Hope everyone
really
else is having a good lunch. Start sweating. Got my Asian glow happening right now.
Done already, son.
Savor mine.
Nope. Now you gotta sit through the pain.
Hang out. Rub your eyeballs. So, yesterday, I made some fried rice. I was cutting the serrano chili. Alright, just cutting it up. Taking all the seeds out with my hands. And then, you know, I don't know, you're relaxed, you're in your own house. You know, I like to I was cooking in my like shorts, so I like touch my waistband, you know. Obviously my hands are hella spicy with all that shit on it. I didn't wash my hands after I cut up the serrano. And you know, when you're cooking something good, if you're anything like me, you get a little aroused. So I got a little, you know, a little happy down there. I'm like, crap, I'm wearing basketball shorts, you know, there's people in the house. Covered it up, so you know, I flip it on the upper part of my waistband where all the spicy shit was laying. Holy fuck, it's hot. And then my dick starts burning. This is not as bad as this. Yet, I mean, I'm still on this thigh. Check out the thigh.
Oh my god.
I don't know, you see how red that is? This shit's like molten. I'm about to put that in my stomach. Alright.
It's not as hot as I thought it would be, but it's still fucking.
It's really flavorful. Really, really flavorful. But, oh, it's so juicy. It just falls apart. They cook it really well over there. You know, they use really good quality chicken. Recommend checking it out while you're still open. Like I said, social distancing. Don't touch anybody. Don't even look at people.
Look at me. Oh yeah, she wants a piece.
All right.
I do. I want to try a piece.
You get to have this.
This?
Eat that. Try.
This one?
This is
Probably.
Danny, everybody.
Hi. Okay. Which part do I eat? This part?
No, take the meat.
The meat?
Yeah.
My heart rate's coming up.
Right to
Yeah. Gotta clean
It's
this.
going away though.
Wow.
I don't think I need to touch this.
Oh, it's slow.
Yeah, creep.
Slow burn, slow burn.
Oh, it's really slow.
We're good.
I thought harder.
Not so bad.
But the flavor,
Yeah, we'll
it's like
finish it.
so good.
You know, save the skin for last. Eat the insides where it's not so spicy.
Oh my god, it's so hot. How did you eat a sandwich.
Not bad.
Well, the mac and cheese cut through it, and I had the mild earlier.
The mac and cheese, we got coleslaw. Anyways, out of 10, what would you rate this? Not on spicy, but like tasty level.
Taste level,
Taste level.
I'll give it about an 8.5 right now.
8.5?
It's so much flavor.
Yeah, hella flavor.
I've even had the KFC chicken sandwich, which is really good. This tops that.
Going in. Whoa! There's just that skin alone.
Yeah, he's in the bread too.
But the bread soaked in there, you know, as usual with the national chicken places. The hot shits. All about this. We're going. Right. Here, maybe I should sauce it up.
Ooh, my lips
No,
are
you're cutting the spice by doing that.
I ate way more than you.
You were cheating here.
I ate more than you, dog.
Where's your bread at? Oh my god, my lips are burning.
It lingers.
Ooh.
Linger. Keep trying to reach for this, but. I don't know, we're Asian, so we can take spice pretty well.
Oh my god, I can't.
Danny on the other hand, she's not Asian.
Oh my god.
A bunch of my friends, they live stream their DJ sets, but you know,
Who's watching?
I live stream me eating food. Oh man. Alright, that was a bite. Cheers, everybody.
Put
You guys are sweating.
I'm good.
I see some shine.
A little bit.
Swim. Yeah, not bad.
I'm good.
Steven said Emmanuel sounds like he's filming soft porn.
Alright.
Pretty much. Soft core. Cinemax.
Whoa.
I've gone this long without it. My shit's going away already.
It's like,
I'm straight. I'm good. Now we play the waiting game.
alright.
For sure.
Ugh.
Wow, dude. What a punk. You can't handle it. You look at it.
No, I had a
Drink the
huge
milk.
thigh. What's bigger, a thigh or a drumstick? Tell me, folks.
I want to eat the thigh.
Okay. No, you're like, I look at the thigh, and then you saw the half, and you're like, nah, can't handle that.
No, because you seem like you wanted to eat more.
I always want to eat more.
So, heating this level, what do you think? 1 out of 10.
Heat?
I'm
Heat, I think,
I'm gonna give it a 7.
yeah, I would say 8 out of 10.
It wasn't that hot to me, but the flavor was on point.
Yeah,
It's
flavor
so
was
good.
super good for something super spicy. You know, sometimes people go overboard on the spice, don't calculate the flavor into it. This place had the flavor, so a lot of you hotheads like the spice. Check it out. Check out their hottest. Super good. They got 6 levels. You know, medium's good for most people. Hot for those that kind of like spice, but like definitely the hottest flavor. They're fire. You know,
Yeah.
use some precaution.
Yeah, find yourself down in the SoCal, Long Beach area. Go check out Jaybird's. It's
Yeah.
really good. They'll take care of you. It's really, really good.
It's at the Long Beach
Try
area.
this the spice challenge and see if you can go without any of this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for watching our first video.
Success.
Pretty good. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like,
You know.
subscribe. But yeah, we'll see you later. That's it.
All right.
Let's drink this fucking milk now.
Khalifa, baby.
I was drinking.